This is a test of the onboard announcement system and LED screens. This is an eastbound Red Line train. This is a westbound Red Line train. This train is evacuating, leave all your belongings, and proceed to the nearest exit. All systems OK. Test stopped. Now boarding at Galliston Street. Now boarding at Galliston Street. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
The Sprinter Electric Multiple Unit is a French metro train that takes inspiration from the metro trains in Dying Light 2 and the British Railway Class 331. The Sprinter has been in use in the Corwan Metro network since 2067 and has proven to be a reliable and serviceable unit, as it has survived all the way until 2097. However, due to its age, problems are going to arise eventually, and the signs are starting to be seen. Hydraulic failures are the most common, resulting in less effective brakes and slower doors. The second most common failure is electrical system faults, causing lights, screens, speakers, and even the traction motors to behave erratically. The least common fault is third rail and fire system failures, making it to where it is nearly impossible to get power from the third rail or put out fires. Which obviously, the last few are the most concerning. The Corwan Metro is around 10 years overdue for new rolling stock, but the CMTA has put off ordering new units for over 15 years, and many of the train operators have requested new rolling stock, but their requests fell on deaf ears. The signaling on the Metro is the standard 4-aspect signal. It is the only signaling system the Sprinter is compatible with, and just like the rolling stock, the signals have definitely seen better days. Multiple train protection systems are used in the Metro, but as the signals and hardware degrade, the less effective the systems become. But as of November of 2097, no accident has happened that was caused by faulty equipment, only operator error. But that luck won't last forever. It's only a matter of time until a disaster occurs.